Oregano, Origanum vulgare, is a popular herb known for its culinary and medicinal uses. Oregano farming involves cultivating and harvesting this aromatic herb for commercial purposes. Here are some complete details about oregano farming. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. 1. Climate and soil requirements. Climate. Oregano thrives in temperate to subtropical climates. It prefers a moderate temperature range of 20 to 30 degrees Celsius during the growing season. Soil. Oregano grows well in well-drained soils with good organic matter content. A pH range of 6.0 to 7.0 is considered ideal for oregano cultivation. 2. Varieties. There are several oregano varieties available, including common oregano, Greek oregano, Italian oregano, and Syrian oregano. Common oregano is the most widely cultivated and used variety. 3. Propagation. Take 8 to 10 cm stem cuttings from healthy oregano plants. Remove the lower leaves and plant the cuttings in a well-draining potting mix. Keep them moist until roots develop. 4. Field preparation and planting. Choose a sunny location with good air circulation for planting oregano. Prepare the field by removing weeds, rocks, and debris. Till the soil to improve its structure and incorporate organic matter. Plant oregano seedlings or rooted cuttings at a spacing of 20 to 30 centimeters between plants and 60 to 75 centimeters between rows. 5. Care and maintenance. Watering. Oregano requires moderate watering. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Water the plants when the top inch of soil feels dry. Mulching. Applying organic mulch around the plants helps conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain a more even soil temperature. Fertilization. Use a balanced organic fertilizer or compost before planting. Side-dress the plants with nitrogen-rich fertilizer during the growing season. Weed control. Regularly remove weeds from the planting area to minimize competition for nutrients and water. 6. Harvesting. Oregano leaves can be harvested once the plants reach a height of 15 to 20 centimeters. Harvest in the morning after the dew has dried but before the heat of the day to retain the maximum flavor and aroma. Cut the stems just above a leaf node to encourage regrowth. Dry the harvested oregano bunches in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated area until they become crisp. Remove the leaves from the stems and store them in airtight containers away from direct sunlight. 7. Pest and disease management. Oregano is generally a hardy plant with good resistance to pests and diseases. However, some common issues include aphids, spider mites, and powdery mildew. Monitor the plants regularly and take appropriate measures, such as using organic insecticidal soap or neem oil, to control pests and diseases. Oregano farming can be a profitable venture, especially with a growing demand for culinary herbs. Proper care, good cultivation practices, and quality harvesting and processing techniques are essential for successful oregano cultivation. It's advisable to consult local agricultural experts or extension services for specific guidance based on your region's climate and conditions. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.